What stood out most to me was how practical it is. You're not just reading theory, you're actually formulating, getting feedback, and understanding what makes a product safe and effective.
What truly set this course apart was the incredible mentorship and the valuable bonuses they provide.
The best part, I can create my own skincare line, and that's all natural and amazing for the skin. Take a look at this cream texture I have created.
In my experience, I just love their support and mentorship.
The mentorship and support that I've received from this course has been seriously life-changing.
The support from mentors was incredible, super responsive and knowledgeable.
With their guidance, I've now started my own line of organic beauty products. They walked me every step of the way.
The mentors were super approachable and their feedback was always so helpful. All in all, it was a great experience for me.
Very friendly mentors, they're very supportive, and they've helped enrich my business.
They also provide us a mentor who is always available to clear all our doubts, and I'm really happy to choose them.
My mentor gave me full support and I developed my formulating skills very well.
The way the course is designed, it's not just a theory. You actually understand the wine behind every ingredient and process.
And yes, they kept their promise. The notes are very clear. The syllabus is very good.
It's so well structured, from learning about skin and hair biology to mastering emulsions, preservatives, and natural actives.
The course breaks down everything so clearly, from ingredients and skin biology to safety and product recall, plus the blend of ingredients and cosmetic science. That's something you don't find just anywhere.
If you love beauty and nature as much as I do, don't miss this chance.
If you're passionate about beauty and nature, this is your best bet.
I highly recommend this if you're serious about clean beauty.
If you're passionate about skincare, want to start creating your own beauty products, this is the course for you.
If you love DIY beauty and want to take it to the next level, this course is the way to go. Get ready to transform your DIY passion into professional expertise.
I will definitely recommend everyone who are interested in formulating their own beauty products, that just go for it.
My sales have gone through the roof. My customers cannot get enough of these natural, beautifully crafted products.
After earning my diploma, I felt empowered. I even have plans to start my own organic skincare line. This course didn't just give me a diploma, it gave me a new direction.
I'm so proud to be one of the students at Land Canyon.
I'm so happy about it. It will give me so much confidence in creating my own skincare brand.
I feel so much confident now, and I'm already planning my product line. It was really nice experience with Team Learn Canyon.
I am really excited and looking forward to be working on my new brand.
It felt holistic, not just scientific. I've grown so much, and now I finally feel ready to launch my own brand with confidence.
Now, I'm confidently creating my own cleansers, creams, shampoos, and even more advanced stuff like emulsions and serums.
It's really empowering. Now when I make a cleanser or a cream, I know exactly why each ingredient is there, and that's honestly an amazing feeling.
I would like to thank Learn Canyon.
Thank you.
Thank you, Learning Canyon.
Thank you, Learn Canyon.
Thank you so much, Land Canyon.